Hey everybody, Ranger Collector 22 here, back for another Power Rangers toy review. And today, I'm doing an extremely rare item. One of the hardest Power Rangers toys to come by, and one of my favorites. Yes people, the Battlizer. Now, I thought that I lost this dude until this summer. I was going through my attic and I almost passed out because I was going to buy one on the internet. Then I saw how somebody was selling it for $130 and somebody bought it too. But yeah, I found it in my attic and I went ballistic. I was really happy, and I put it on the display, and it looks really excellent on display. Anyway, so yeah, this is the Battlizer. I am missing the brace part that connects to the clamps here, but that's really no biggie. I have nothing else to say. This is, I mean, yeah, it's an amazing toy. It's one of the most sought after toys, but there is really not much to it. You've got this. It's you've got the silver over here, black on the back. The on and off switch. Turn that on, and you've got this thing in the front for, I guess, the light. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Press this button. Ooh. Got 3 buttons. Got 1, 2, and 4. No, it's 3. 1 was a power punch, so let's hear 1. The sound is very faded because of the bottom here. 2 was, I don't know, I don't even think they even used it in the show, but it was like a rapid punch. Whoa, that's not working well. Hold on. Damn it. Okay, we're just not going to use that one. And 3, Mega Battle. Woo! Now, one cool thing about this, it is compatible with the Astro Delta Megazord. Now, I'm not sure if I'm putting it on the right way, but I think this is how it goes. Okay. Here's the Astro Delta Megazord in all of its glory. I love that. And here we go. Take it down. Turn it around. Now there's this thing over here, and if it gets pushed down, the things go at like double time the speed. So if I press this button, Jesus, see, it doesn't exactly go on all that well. So I don't know if you press this button. Oh, damn it! Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, it's like on steroids. Damn it. Hold on, I'm sorry. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, work! And then, when you put it on steroids, double the speed. So yeah, that's kind of fun. I'm really having trouble with this. that's the extent of the battle booster. The Battlizer, excuse me. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this guy. He's not, I mean, he's great and all, but it's a bit he's a bit overstated. He's not as great as people say, but he is a good, it feels good to have him in a collection. Excuse me, I'm not sexist. It is good to have it in the collection. It's very, very nice. It's got the gold. Yeah. Other than that, that's really all I have to say about this guy. So, this thing, excuse me. My next review will be my homemade morphers. Original morphers. But until then, this is Ranger Collector 22 saying, see ya later.